Hi guys, my name's Orange One Game. The HM finally came, and now I'll show you what the gym leader looks like. Guys, the gym finally came. OMG. Yeah, we can find Crescent Island. Okay. The game is loading. One sec, guys, because you don't like the intro a lot. Hi, guys. I'm in JNS right now because I cannot go in 100 Point Gaming because, I'm in the wrong Pokemon. Let's see. Crescent Town. Look, guys. Crescent Town. Let's go to Pordex. Yeah. So, okay, let's get our Pokemon. JNS, let's get our Pokemon. This is JNS's Pokemon. It's like Absol. Man, where is it? Okay, so her Pokemon is Fetro. I think, yeah, this one. Bronita, yeah, Bronita. We get Absol. I don't know what is her rest of the Pokemon. And Ditto? I think it's a Ditto. I can't remember, guys. What is the strongest Pokemon in here? Victini? I don't know. Guys, I don't know. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Okay. This is your final moment. You can find out what does the Crescent Island look like. It looks like a swamp in Twitter, basically. I have no idea. So we have to use surf. Hi, Carly. I call this girl Carly because she has curls. Pink hair. I'm so excited to see the end of Pokemon Brick Bronze. I'm thinking the end of Pokemon Brick Bronze is going to be a great ending. So I saw Jake right here. He was like, okay, I wonder. So Tess is in Crescent Island looking for us. Basically, 100 Point Gaming is the strongest person. See? You see no things? Okay, I have to use my Max Repel. Hi, Banana. I'm a banana. I'm too excited to do this. I have lots of stuff. Stones. Okay, let me get some Max Repels. Use it. And yes! Now, to Crescent Island! I'll show you when I get there. Whoa! This is so amazing! What the heck? Dude! My gosh, it's so amazing! Look at those! This is so freaking amazing! This girl is swimming. What the heck? Why is this girl swimming? Trainer! Ah! I've been swimming for a long time, so... skip the... Okay, guys, I skipped from Pokemon Trainer. Yes, using their one. What the heck are they? There's a lot of Pokemon trainers. I don't want to get C. Guys, this is so freaking cool. I am so cool. What is this? What is inside this thing? I want to check something. What is inside this thing? Let me check. Ocean's Port. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? What is this? Whoa. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll see you on Crescent Town, guys. Whoa. Crescent Island Town. We're here, guys. Oh my gosh. Wonder where's Tess. Okay, I see a boat. What the heck? What the heck? This is so awesome! Freaking lucky. Who's this? Team Eclipse Grunt. Nope. Nope. Not going there. Not going there. Not going there. Hey, it's you. As soon as we made a lunge, your friend took up running soon some guy wearing orange and black. Team Eclipse! Okay, they returned to... She's pretty angry. Really? Good luck finding your way killed up by these crooks. Okay. Team Eclipse! Oh man. Ah! No, you noticed me. Where did he go? He went inside here. What the f... What the heck? Okay, guys, I'll be back finding Tess. Guys, I found a secret. Okay, we're going down. It's in the juice. Okay, what is going on? What is this? This is Team Eclipse's base? What? What the fuck? Oh man, I got caught. What do you have here? Are you a new Vincent? You are an unicorn. There's no secret base. Finish up no time. Oh, okay, guys. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. God. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at this. What in the heck are they doing? This is a girl. I'm not going to... Oh no, battle. Are you on your way to the cafeteria? Wait, you are a Team Eclipse member. We are going to need to battle. Okay, this... Oh man. What the heck is this? We have to go here. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh man. I have to battle this.
No more play?
I get it. Okay, how many Pokemon did you steal today? Frick you! No, I got caught! Oh, the plant! The plant stopped him! Only Team Eclipse is free. Team Eclipse. Ah! Shh. Okay, I'm stuck in the... I hope you aren't to get the dish there.
You gonna eat pancake then, Jess?
Okay, guys. Oh, man. You're talking right there. Okay, run.
Hey, girl.
What is this? Okay.
Eat this gun. What about you boy?
Whoa, it's lava, basically. Yep, don't wanna fight me. It's too hot in this room. I have a little heat. Bye-bye, heat room. Here we go. There's a lots of rooms here. I like the music. That's what I like. Good. Okay. Whoa, my frickin' ah, I got spotted! Shh, keep it down. We have to rest here. I have to teach you a lesson. What are they doing? Hello? Hey, you aren't supposed to be here. How do you get past the guards for a car? In row 18. Is that Tess? Well, some of you punks stop us. Okay. I'm not supposed to record this, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, that is no good. I was to join up for everyone being to shape after I don't do anything stupid to try to stop us. Oh, yeah, and press. I did the security test. See? What the frick? Is that Tess? Is that Tess? Tess! And your mommy? Oh my gosh, what happened? Ah! Press the green button. What happened? What happened? What's happening? Guys, what's happening? Oh, we're supposed to go. Oh man. Tess! Yay, Tess! Okay, I'll be back for saving Tess. Guys, I saw my parents. They went here. I went the wrong way. Ah! Oh no, Tess! Ah! Jake? Oh my gosh, Jake! Let's not waste any time. Kingdom, please let... Jake! No! Ah! No! I think Dick, yes, you're right. He knew you could find us. Tiago fractured me, and now he's in prison with airplanes. Blah blah blah. That's enough. Jake, no! Ah! So sad. Yes, sir. Okay. It's safe. No. Not you, Jake. I need you here. Keep your friend. No! Jake! No! I'm here with Jake. No! What happened to his face? Well, Jane, here we are again. The plan is recent. Too much here to say here. You messed it up. No! What the heck happened to his face? I always learned that. I knew that. Stop you, since the professor will open the tube that would send Hoover for him. Anyways, remember, we fall, we fight. I need to go now. Jake, no! Don't do this! I don't want! Jake, wait for me! Guys, I'm about to end the video in 2 minutes. No, Jake! Where are you going? Wait for me! Jake? Jake? I think he went here. I think so. Hi, ma'am. I'm into my clips, and I steal Pokemon, too. Who's this? Oh my gosh. Look at this. These are portraits. Ah! What's this? What the frick? Where did Jake go? Guys, this is the boss's room. The portrait. Ah, I don't like the portraits. I'm not going to talk to her because she's going to be rude to me. I like the secret base. Guys, oh, whoa. Is that Pokeball? I found a max relief. Yay! Now I can relieve Absol. Guys, I think it's time for the end of the video. I showed you a lot. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this tour of what the Crescent Island looks like. And bye!